Welcome to Letting Go, Episode 1. This guided meditation, the first in a series of 7, where we will explore the art of letting go. Letting go can mean releasing tension, old habits, or emotional burdens that weigh us down. Over the next few minutes, I'll guide you through a gentle practice to help you begin this process, step by step, at your own pace. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit or lie down without distractions. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable, or let your gaze soften. Allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. This time is just for you, a space to pause, breathe, and simply be. Let's start by grounding ourselves. Bring your awareness to your body. Feel the points of contact where your body meets the surface beneath you. Notice the stability and support it provides. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose, letting your belly expand fully. And gently exhale through your mouth. Let's do that 2 more times. Breathe in deeply, allowing the breath to fill your entire body. And release it with ease. 1 more time, inhale deeply. And exhale slowly. As you settle into your natural rhythm of breathing, allow your shoulders to drop. Soften your jaw, your hands, and your belly. Notice how the body begins to relax when you simply bring attention to it. Now that you're grounded, let's bring our awareness to the present moment. Notice the sensations in your body. Is there any tightness, tension, or restlessness? Without judgment, simply observe. Shift your attention to your breath. Feel it flowing in and out, like waves gently rolling in and receding. There's nothing you need to change or force. Just notice the natural rhythm of your breath. And now, as you breathe in, silently say to yourself, "I am here." And as you breathe out, say, "I let go." Let's repeat this for a few breaths. Inhale, "I am here." Exhale, "I let go." Now repeat it some more times by your own. Notice how the simple act of breathing and repeating these words can bring a sense of calm and presence. Now, let's work with a visualization to help us release what no longer serves us. Imagine you're standing by a gentle stream. The water is crystal clear and flows effortlessly over smooth rocks. You're holding a small leaf in your hand. This leaf represents something you're ready to let go of, maybe a thought, a feeling, or tension in your body. Take a moment to identify what this leaf represents for you. Don't overthink it, trust whatever comes to mind. Now, see yourself placing the leaf gently onto the surface of the water. Watch as the current carries it away. There's no need to chase it or hold on, it floats effortlessly downstream. As you watch it go, notice the sense of lightness that begins to arise. Let's do this together again. Imagine another leaf in your hand. What are you ready to release this time? Place it on the stream and watch it float away. Feel the freedom that comes with letting go, trusting the stream to carry away what you no longer need. With each release, notice the space you're creating within yourself. As you continue to breathe, invite a sense of openness into that space. What does openness feel like to you? Perhaps it feels like peace, ease, or clarity. Breathe in this sense of openness and exhale any remaining tension. If your mind wanders, that's okay. Gently guide it back to the rhythm of your breath. Inhale, I am here. Exhale, I let go. As we near the end of this practice, take a moment to thank yourself for showing up today, for taking this first step in letting go. Know that this is a journey, and it's okay to let go little by little, one step at a time. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the energy returning to your body. And when it feels right, open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this practice today. This is just the beginning of our journey together. In the next session, we'll dive deeper into how to let go of emotional clutter and embrace clarity. Until then, be kind to yourself, and remember, letting go is a gift you give to yourself. Thank you for meditating with me. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. This helps my channel a lot. Or share your experience with your meditation in the comments. Come back daily to build your habit. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow.